If you are still using flat, lifeless images in your presentations, stop. Today, we are bringing your slides to life. I am going to show you how to master the levitation animation for both 2D and 3D objects, creating a cinematic experience that commands attention. Before we start, you can download all the assets used in this video from the description down below to follow along. Let's build it. We will start with 2D images. Here on this slide, we have this PNG image of a Nike shoe. First, the entrance effect. We need to get the object onto the screen smoothly. To do so, go to the Animations tab and apply the Fly In animation. From Effect Options, change the direction to From Top and increase the duration to 1.5 seconds. Now our shoe floats in, but look at this. There is a rigid stop at the end. To fix that, open the Animation pane. Right-click the Fly In animation, select Effect Options, and drag the Smooth End slider all the way to the right. Click OK. Now look at this smooth entrance. Quick question for you. What is your current go-to presentation software? Let me know in the comments below while we set up the secret sauce. The continuous hover. You cannot just apply another animation from the main menu or it replaces the first one. You must click on Add Animation. Scroll down to Motion Paths and select Lines. From Effect Options, change the direction to Up. Set the duration to 1.5 seconds and set it to start after previous, so it triggers exactly as the entrance finishes. To control the bounce height, click the red dot on the motion path and drag it to be slightly above the shoe. Keep it subtle. To make the hover infinite, right-click the motion path, open Effect Options, and check Auto Reverse. Next, go to the Timing tab. Change the Repeat dropdown to Until End of Slide. Click OK. Let's play it. The hover is perfect, but to make it truly eye-catching, we are adding a subtle, infinite rotation. To do so, click Add Animation and select Spin. Right-click the spin animation, go to Effect Options, and change the custom amount to 10 degrees. Hit Enter. Set Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0.75 seconds, and check Auto Reverse. Then go to the Timing tab. Change the duration to 3 seconds, set it to repeat until end of slide, and change the Start trigger to Start with Previous. Finally, right-click the image, select Format Picture, go to the Size tab, and change the baseline rotation to -5 degrees. So when the shoe spins, it starts from -5 and ends in 5 degrees, appearing as if it spins from its center. Now, look at this amazing animation. To sell the illusion of gravity, we need a dynamic shadow. Draw a simple oval underneath. Then, from Format Shape, go to the Fill tab, change the color to black, and increase the fill transparency to 70%. Under the Effects panel, click Soft Edges and increase the size to 14 points. There is your shadow. Let's animate it. Add the Shape Entrance effect, change the direction to Out and the shape to Circle. Set the duration to 1.5 seconds, move it below the shoe entrance, and set it to start with previous. This tricks the brain into seeing the shoe fall from the top. To make the shadow shrink as the shoe goes up and grow as it goes down, select our shadow and add the Grow Shrink animation. Right-click the animation, go to Effect Options, change the size to 90%, and press Enter. Set the smooth sliders to 0.75 seconds and check Auto Reverse. In the Timing panel, set the duration to 1.5 seconds. Set it to repeat until end of slide and choose Start with Previous. Click OK. Let us hit play. The object glides in and seamlessly transitions into an infinite, breathing hover. If this design hack just upgraded your slides, hit that subscribe button and drop a like so I can keep making these advanced tutorials for you. 2D is great, but let's take it to the next level with 3D models. I am using this Apple Watch Ultra model from Sketchfab. Remember, the link is in the description. For 3D models, we apply the exact same gravity and shadow steps we just built, but there is one game-changing difference. Instead of using the basic rotate animation, select your 3D model, click Add Animation and choose the 3D-specific turntable effect. Go to Effect Options. Set the direction to right and the amount to continuous. Change the duration to 20 seconds and ensure it starts with previous. And that is the perfect cinematic 3D levitation. If you want to skip the setup and grab my pre-built cinematic presentation templates, check out my Ko-fi shop linked in the description. See you in the next video.